Okay, so last class, mostly we discussed what is, right, how to declare function in shell scripting and how to call that function, how to call that function, and right, so how to call and how to execute that declaring with the function. So that is only simple only. Just I'm login. One sec. Okay. Can you see my screen? I think now we can see. Hello?
No, sir.
Okay.
No visible, sir.
Not visible. Okay. Now let me go to here. Let me connect my instance. There is Virginia and number of instances here. I have three. Click on this. Select my Linux instance and go to here. Just start instance. So last class mostly how to declare function and right. Where is shell scripting Linux class and how to declare function and how to call that functions and all that. Mostly we discussed. Today we'll see some of right, some commands how it will work. Wait to go to here. So remaining these all are example only. Already we given. So just for that we can execute and filter data based on your condition. AWK command. Today we'll see how it will work. So interval. So if anyone is asking, so how to declare function, just a function name, parenthesis, and open curly brace, closing curly brace. Inside, just we can write action. Whatever you want, we can write action. So whatever you want, we can action. So these are the right functions. Already we see. So inter mostly they are asking, so how to declare function and how to call it. Now, if you want to declare any variable, we can declare variables also. There is three types of variables, right? Scope variables. Are you remember or anyone? There is three types of variables, right? We can declare variable, three types of variables. What are those? We can declare three types of variables. Already earlier we discussed. Anyone? What are those variables? We can declare three types of variable. One is session variable. Next, user variable and scope variable. Sorry, system variable. I remember, Karthik, already we discussed what is session variable. This, if you declare any variable, we can call within the session. If you want to access user level, in that case we go for user variable and system variable. So if you declare any variable, if you want to access that variable, all users, logged in user, that case we go for system variable. System variable. Already we discussed. Same thing. By default, every variable in shell script is global only. If we declare any variable, if we declare any variable, we can access anywhere. We can access anywhere. See, we can access anywhere in the script. But before using variable, you should be declare whether declare already or not. So suppose if you declare any variable, so like this. See here, this is the function a equal to x and x equal to I given 10. This is the global. So this is a global. So generally we know these three types of variables: session variable, user variable, and session scope. This is nothing but session scope. Simply we are calling a session scope. How to call that variable? Correct? So how to session scope, user scope, and so how to call variable, how to call declare, and this is the system scope. These are the three types. Already practical also we saw how it will work. Same way in script, if we declare variable, so that can we can call anywhere. That can we can call so anywhere. This is like act like global only. This is act like global only. First, let me connect my instance. Click on this. Go to connect. Click on copy, and so go to here. There is my PM file here. Right click. Open git bash. Open git bash here. Open git bash here. Okay. all plus plus. Okay. Now, so if we give here, so these are the functions. Here somewhere we declare fun, right? Fun c dot cat cat space func 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 dot sh. Clear? See here. So this is the function. Here I have one function. Now let me edit vi func dot sh. Okay. Insert. Just assume. So this is the function. This is the one function. DevOps is the one function. So DevOps is the where in class. DevOps is the one function. Clear? So now I declare one variable name equal to I'm giving so for example DevOps or shell script. This is my variable I declare. Now I call this function. I call this function. Same way, how we are declaring here. See here, call this one. Now I declare variable outside the function. I need to print this inside the function. Now how to print it? Now go to here. I'm print this here. How to print this variable here? Karthik, same. So echo name. This is I am using a dollar variable name. What is variable name? That's it. Now see here. So here I declare. So I am calling inside the function. Now I call it my function name. Automatically it will print here. Now escape colon x escape colon x slash bin slash bash dot slash func dot sh file. Okay. Now see here shell scripting. Clear? So if we declare any variable in shell script, if we declare any variable in shell script, it is act like a global. We can call anywhere. We can access anywhere in the script. We can access anywhere in the within the script. We can call anywhere. That is the we can call like this. Now same way. Now return function. Return means so as of now here I didn't return any value. Just I declare the function. I declare the function. I am calling that function. Here I am printing. But in some case, based on a requirement in real time, we are returning values also. See here, every function in shell script returns some value. So the default return value is the exit code of the last command inside the function. But based on our requirement, we can return values explicitly by using the return statement. So generally exit code. So generally we are using exit code. Exit code means so this is a function, right? This is a function. So this is the function. So insert this function and whether this function is succeeded or not. So mostly we are using exit code. So that exit code and all we can use 0 to 255. 0 to 255. Return exit code. See here every function in the shell script returns some value. The default return value, the exit code of the last command inside the function. So whether it is success and fail and all we need to pass it. 0 means already you know successful. Non-zero means unsuccessful. How to call whether it is zero or not, whether previous command, previous statement that is success or not. What is this? Which one we are using, Karthik? Hash dollar. You know, right? So these are the same only. Mostly interview also they are asking dollar hash. Next, dollar star at dollar star. Mostly we are using exit code and all dollar question mark. This is the exit code. This is the exit code. Whether previous command success or not. Success or not. So if you return 0 means success. Non-zero means failure state. Failure state. Clear, Karthik? Already we discussed, right? So these all are. What is this and all? It will so number of command line arguments. It will print a number of command line arguments, and this is the success. So this is the 0. If you get 0 means success. So here if you get 0 means this is the success code. 0 means success only. 1 means so non-successful. See here, non-zero means unsuccessful command. Unsuccessful command. See here, so we can get a return of the function by using the dollar question mark. So dollar question mark represents. So we'll check success code of the command that previous. Now see here. So can you use like this? Whatever you want. Now see here. This is the sum. So here I passed. What is this, Karthik? Dollar hash means number of arguments. Here I am passing one argument, two arguments. So two arguments not equal to 2, then we should pass exactly two numbers. Return 1. Else sum equal to, I am counting, so 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30. Now return value of the dollar question mark means whether it is success or passed. Here I am giving sum equal to 10. Here I am printing. Now see here, in this case, this is the success value 0. In this case, this is the unsuccessful. We are getting 1. Let me try. We can easily understand. This is a very simple program only. VI, just how to use successful, unsuccessful. I am using also sum dot sh file. Okay. Insert hash dollar hash slash bin bash. So this is a function. We can declare one function name. Here I am declaring sum. Sum is the function name. Sum is the function name. We can give any name. So here I am passing two arguments. Command line argument. This is two arguments. Sum of 10 comma 10 space 20. These are the input values. Now here if okay. So now if, so this is the syntax. How to get a count? Dollar dollar. First we need to give here space. Give here space hash dollar hash exclamatory mark. So this is the condition. This is the condition. So not equal to 2. Here this is not a variable, right? Simply we can call, no need to use. Directly we can call. Again double time, no need. Okay. Dollar not equal to 2. Now got it. Here I am passing two arguments. What is this meaning? Already you know. So this is the number of arguments. Dollar hash means number of arguments. So not equal to 2, not equal to 2, then semicolon, then. Okay. Echo. So this is the error statement. What we need to do? We can print something. We need to print something. What you need to see here? You should pass exactly two numbers. Kindly pass two two numbers. Kindly pass two numbers. That's it. This is my else. Else. Else I need to give some. So pass two statement. Return statement. So return statement means, here I am passing 1. So what is this? We can pass return statement 0 to 255, right? Return 1. I pass a return 1. Else. Here I need to count. They are using else echo the sum variable equal to, I am printing, so that one. So echo sum. Okay. So dollar how to right? So a plus b, that is means, here I am calling, this is dollar 1. Dollar means first arguments. Dollar 2 means second argument. So dollar 1 plus dollar 2 dollar 2. What is this? Dollar 1 means first argument. Dollar 2 means second argument. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? Karthik, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now close the if statement. And after if, I am printing echo whether you want to success code, right? Whether it is the return value of the function, what it is returning, the return value of function, function, function dollar. Okay. Dollar this value, dollar question mark, dollar question mark. Okay. we don't want here. I am calling here after a method, right? Uh, how to escape, how to delete this line, how to copy this line, how to copy right? Copy this line and go to here, insert, go to here, insert, paste. How to paste? D means delete, means copy, paste. Now got it? Shortcut marchiponara. So if you want to copy clear Karthik? Delete means, for example,
Yes, sir.
I want to delete this line. Uh, delete. If you want to delete this line, what is the shortcut? Linux, I explained it. DD. DD means delete the line. DD means delete the line. Means copy that line. Paste means P only. Paste means P only. Now, now in this case, see here, I am seeing whether it is success or not. Escape. Now, I am using sum. I am giving only 10. So now P. Now P means paste. Now P means paste. If we copy one time, we can paste multiple times. I hope you know, right? Same return statement of dollar. Now observe here. So this is the function name. Here I am passing two arguments. So this is the first argument. This is the second argument. If you pass less than 2, not equal to 2, kindly pass two numbers and the return is 1. Okay, else sum. I am finding the sum. So this is first time I called sum, only two arguments, everything working fine. Here I am passing only one argument. I need to print what is the exit code. That's it. Observe here. Observe here. Dollar sum. Okay. Now see here. What is this function? Which one? Sum only, right? This is not sum. This is function I called. SU. Yep. Now got it. Sum dot sh. Now see here. Something missing line number. What we are missing? Line number 19. Unexpected EOF while looking for the matching. 19 line. Check it. 19 line. Which one we missed? 19 line. Where is this? Sum. Here it is start with. And here. Okay. Insert. Insert. Go to here. Sum. Okay, then else return sum equal double quotation is missing. Okay, that's it. Now escape colon x. Escape colon x. Now see here sum. Now kindly pass two numbers. Return value of function 1 and what value? Kindly pass two numbers. Second time it is executing. Return value of function is 1. So that is your wish. So generally here which is passing. What is this? The function return value of here what value I passed? Sum 20, right? Why it is not printing? Sum equal to 30, return value equal to 0. We need to expect 0 only. And the second time it is passing 1 only. It is printing wrong only. What is this? Kindly, okay, this is correct only. Kindly, kindly pass. Here something goes wrong. Let me check it. What value here? So if dollar hash, here is the problem. Insert, we need to give space not equal to 2, then return, kindly pass two numbers, return 1, else sum equal to, this is correct only, right? Sum equal to, okay, same, we need to give, that's it. Now come is, okay, now escape colon x. Now check it. Now see here, sum equal to 0 and the return value of function equal to 0. So if it is everything working fine, 0. And the second time I called, right? I passed only one argument. So kindly pass two arguments and the return statement is a function equal. Now I passed here. So what is here? Understand? So here I passed two arguments first time. Now it is coming here. This condition is true or false? Not equal to 2? False, right? 2 equal to 2 only, right? Here I passed two arguments. 2 not equal to 2. True or false, Karthik? False only. Correct. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ రెండు ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ పాస్ చేశాను. నౌ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్. సో నౌ హియర్ కౌంట్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ 2. 2 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? 2 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. హలో.
True, sir.
2 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ఇక్కడ మనకి రెండు వాల్యూస్ పాస్
False, sir.
ఫాల్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ మీనింగ్
Uh,
హియర్? ఫాల్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో 2 నాట్ ఈక్వల్
రెండు
టు మీన్స్ false. False means this action it won't run, correct? Now it will come to else part. Else part will find the sum value. See here, we'll find the sum value and the return value of the function. So after calling this one, I print, see here dollar question mark. This script is executed success or not? This script is executed success or not? Okay, true. That means 0. Here we are getting 0 only. Here we are getting 0. Now, second time I passed 10. 1 not equal to 2. True or false? Second time. Again, I call it function, right? 1 not equal to 2. ఒకటి రెండు 1 not equal to 2. True only, right? True means it will print this statement. Kindly pass two values. And so return statement I given 1. We can give 0 to 255 any number. We can give 0 to 255 any number. Now see, we can see same output. Kindly pass two numbers and the return value of the function 1. That is your wish. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Clear? Clear, Karthik? So 1 not equal to కండిషన్ ట్రూ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేశాను, కైండ్లీ పాస్ టూ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ రిటర్న్ 1 పాస్ చేసా. సో నౌ వీ కెన్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ సో అవుట్పుట్ 1 ఓన్లీ. క్లియర్? సో
yes,
దిస్
sir.
ఈస్ ద రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్. సేమ్ వే కేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్, రైట్? యూస్ కేస్ బ్యాకప్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ break and all exit already break statement. You can use break only inside the loop break while execution, or if you want to exit we can use anywhere exit statement to terminate the script. Now we can see written already, break already we seen, and exit statement. Exit means we can use anywhere within the statement terminated the script. The script will be terminated. No chance of executing any statement are there. So how to use means now see here exit statement. Test this and all are same only. We don't want somewhere we can find exit. How exit means so directly we can use. Here they given a simple only sum and find, and this is multiple exit. Exit means just search in Google also. Exit means already break, return statement. Same way we are using exit. I don't want to exit. I don't want to continue that statement. And that case simply we can use exit 0 or exit 1 or like this. Now enter mostly they are asking. Okay, this is a project and all. Just try it. There is few commands pending. Very important interview also. So we'll finish that one. AW command and right. These are the example only. Just try. If you have time, just try it. We don't want this and all. There is AW command and set the command. Where is this? This is the SCD command. Stream editor. Very important. Interview also. Most of the people they are asking this command. So what is stream editor? Very important command. Just note it. SCD. SCD command. Simply we are calling SCD means stream editor. What is this? Stream editor. Stream editor. Now I have a file. Now I have a file. Now see here we can use command to retrieve and edit data represented in the given file. So if you want to edit any file, mostly which command we are using, Karthik? I want to edit file. We are using VI mode, right? VI file name, right? Correct? Yes or no? Suppose if you want to modify any file. Now, for example, this is my file name. This is my file name. So this is my file name. Any file. So I want to edit this file. I want to edit this file. So if you want to edit this file, devops.txt file. How to edit? Vi space devops.txt, right? Clear? Now see here, whatever we want, we can edit it. I press insert button and so use and updated file and remaining save. Escape colon WQ WQ save and quit the file, or simply we can use X also. Save and quit the file. Now there is one more file. So there is one more file. There is one more command. Cd command stream editor. Stream editor. So I need some data first copy the webs. Now see here. I am copying this data. I am go to here vi devops.txt devops.txt and so in this data I am going to insert. I am going to paste. I am going to paste it some data for practice purpose. I need some data. That's it. I need to searching and all. That is the reason I copy and paste. Escape colon X. Now observe here. So file is saved. Now clear the screen. Cat space devops.txt. Now see here. This is my data. Now what is this scd command? See, we can use scd command to retrieve and edit data represented in the given file. We can perform operations based on like delete, second line, etc. and all. We can also perform operations based on content like delete lines where Python represents in etc. Now RX, this is the data. So this is the data. I want to I want to print specific lines. Whatever you want, we can use it. Or this is the data, right? Let me edit VA. Now delete files, delete lines. DD means delete all lines. Insert, escape, P, no, escape, delete files, and insert, right click, paste. So how to data? This is employee number. Where is cursor? Here, right? Go to here. First, keep in proper order. I'm going to alignment order. So this is the gender. This is the first record, and so this is the second record. This is the second record, and this is the third record, and this is the fourth record. Just we have five. We are going to add five record. Okay, mail. Now see here. These are the records. Escape colon X. Now observe here. Cat space device. This is my data. Employee number, employee name, e-salary, address, department, gender. So this is my data. Now how to manipulate? If you want to do some operations, specific line, specific column based on data, so that case we go over stream editor. SCD means stream editor, and we can perform operations based on particular line, based on content. Wherever we want to go to that one. So this is a very important. Real time also mostly we are using. Interview also many people asking this command like grep command, like grep command, like grep command. Okay. So now we'll see. See here display specific line multiple times. I want to print. P means here print. SCD I am giving a 2P. It will print only that particular. See here. This is a file. Cat space devops.txt. This is the file name. I want to print. See here SCD. So I need to print 2P means second file name devops.txt. What it will print? HCD. Now observe here what value it will come. Any modification done? Karthik, it is working or not? Command SCD space. Okay. I want to print. This is the syntax. So this is the SCD. P means print. It will display total file content, but except but second line will be displayed two times. I want to be two times. I want to print that second line. Now it is correctly print or not. We need to check it. Devapps.txt. Now where is that second? See here. Now printed correct only, right? Second line it is printed two times. So generally this is the actual data. Cat space devapps.txt. Cat space devapps. This is the only, right? I want to print this second line. Compare. This is the first line. This is the first line here, header line. And this is the second line. Header is the first line. And this is the second line. This line I want to print two times. How many times you want to print, guys? Here I give a number 2. Print. Two times I want to print second line. Clear, Karthik? For example, I want to print uh, fourth line. Fourth line, that is to I am giving for example 4. Now observe here, double time. Double time it will print 1, 2, 3. This is the 4. Double time it will print. So that is the fourth line it will print. Print means I want to print fourth line one more time. I want to print fourth line one more time. Clear, Karthik? That specific line. If you want to print a specific line again, and so that case we go for so this is the syntax SCD. This is the line number, and again I need to print, and this is the file name. Got it? Anyone any doubt here? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is mostly file operations we are using. Now one more, see. Now display specific only specific line. Only specific line. I want to display. I don't want. This is the data, right? See, very. This is very interesting. And so devapps.txt. I want to print only this line. I don't want this entire data. This is my data. I want to print only this line data. Third line. That case SCD hyphen n. Okay, which line you want to print? Third line and devapps.txt. See here. If you want to print only specific line, I don't want entire data. So I don't want whole data. If you want to print specific line, hyphen n. Which one? What is the command? Hyphen n. So hyphen n, that specific line. Suppose if you want to print only last line. If you want to print last line, $p. This is the $p, last line. You don't want, I want to print only which is the last line. That case, instead of number, use dollar. Dollar means last line it will print. See here, last line it will print. Same way, remaining same only. Next, display only specific independent lines. I want to print only second line and third line. So I want to print only second line. hyphen n. Hyphen n. This is syntax. Which line I want to print a third line? I want to print the second line. That is means second line, and also fourth p and c space devapps.txt. Press enter. First give one line and press enter, again give one more and print file. That is the file name. Now it will print only second and fourth. Second and fourth. This is the second line and this is the fourth line. This is the fourth line. This is the fourth line. Now display all lines except specific lines. So I don't want not equal to. So that case we are using, so if you want to print a specific line, we are using this command, right? If you want to print a specific line, we are using this command. We are using this command. Specific two times, right? Uh, if you want to give specific line, hyphen n is nothing but specific line. Okay. I don't want this line, remaining all I need. Remaining all except a second line. Second row. Except a second row, I want to print entire data. I want to print remaining rows, remaining all records. Now got it? Not equal to p. I don't want second. Remaining all records I need. Clear, Karthik? Any doubt here as of now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now display all lines except range of lines. For example, I don't want specific range. So that case SCD except, right? Except means we need to give, see, same only. Give number format. I don't want second comma fourth, not and P. Now see here, except this second line, except this fourth line, it will print remaining all records, all data. So very simple only, but interview mostly they are asking. Now this is display all lines having specific words. This is the search, very important. This command is very important. Display all lines having specific word. That is means search purpose. How to search? This is my data. This is my data. Interview also 99% people are asking this command. See here, cat space devaps.txt. Okay. Now I want to search. I want to search. This is the syntax. See here, scd hyphen n, and this is admin. Okay, print. This is employee data. It will display all lines which contains keyword, admin keyword. Now in this data, which one you want to search? Tell me, Karthik. Scd hyphen n. Next, which word you want to? For example, Winky. Clear, clear, Karthik. I am searching which one? Winky. So I am searching. This is syntax Winky. So this is the slash. We need to use a slash and Winky slash and P. Next, remaining file data. Print. P means here print. And so now what is the file name? devaps.txt. Now see here, it is finding only that Winky records. Correct? Yes or no? Now here Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winky, Pinny is there. Whatever you want, we can create it. Suppose I want to search string. I want to search string Mumbai. Mumbai. There is two records, right? Let me search Mumbai. What is the output? Mumbai. 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 So here also one Mumbai is there. Here also one Mumbai is. Total how many records it will print? How many records? Karthik. Now got it. Two records. So two records. So SCD space hyphen n, SCD space hyphen n, and this is the string name, search string, and a slash p, and this is a file name. Any doubt, Karthik, here?
No, sir.
Okay, this is very important command. Just note it. And mostly people are asking this one: how to search string in particular file. Now to delete particular line, I want to delete. One guy asked, they want to delete. They want to delete third line. They don't want third line. This is very, earlier we are using P, right? Instead of P we are using which one? D only. Instead of P we are using D only. Now see here, SCD, SCD slash, sorry, single quotation, and third line I want to delete. That's it. devaps.txt. Very simple. Now see here, can you see that third line here? This operation output. I don't want third line. D means delete. Now see here, 200 Bunny, 2000 Chennai, so removed. And same way, D means deletion. D means deletion. P means print. D means deletion. P means print. Hyphen N means that is specific lines. Now see here, $D. While displaying records, it will delete last records. If you don't want last line, that case $D and 1D first line. Next, to delete permanently in the file. So as of now see here, I did many operations. I did many operations. Now original file, did I modified anything? Cat space devaps.txt. Try to understand, Karthik. I executed many lines. I deleted, I print particular lines and all. Did I change anything here, my original file? No, right?
No, sir.
No, right? Now, suppose if you want to, right, permanently, if you want to delete or if you want to do anything permanently, and that case hyphen I, delete records permanently in the file. So as of now, I didn't use any I. For example, here I used, so third line, ID, right? D means, so for output only it is removing that record and it is displaying output. No, no, sir. I want to delete permanently. So that case, which one we need to use? Hyphen I. Now original file also it will hyphen I means delete record permanently in the file. Now check it. What is the third one? Third one means, so this is right 200. Now see ID. Now check it, cat space device dot txt. Now can you see the 200 record here? I used hyphen I. What is hyphen I? If you want to delete permanently, hyphen I, but mostly that is based on your requirement. Now this is the syntax. SCD hyphen n means line number. SCD next. Here we are using, so mostly we are using 4, right? Hyphen I means permanently if you want to delete permanent. Okay, hyphen D delete. Sorry, D means delete. P means print. D means delete. Hmm. Here hyphen I hyphen n. What is hyphen I means? Permanently if you want to delete. If you want to print only specific lines, that and all, that case we can use so this data. Clear? And very very important thing here, search SCD. What is this? We are using search. What is that command? Search command. So SCD, uh, SCD. I want to search hyphen n. Next slash string name. This is the string slash p print and file name. Clear, Karthik? This is the syntax. Already we seen here, right? So this is very very important. This is very very important. So most of the people they are asking so this one only. So that one how to search and all. Now I want to replace. Now this is also very very important. Replace. So see here, display all lines having specific words. So wherever admin is there, I want to print only that lines. I want to print only that lines. So that case we are using scd-n and string name and p means here print. Now I want to find and replace. Right? Find and replace. This is also very very important. Find and replace. Find and replace. So if you want to find and replace, this is a command. S. This is a string name replaced by Linux. G means global, that is entire. See, it will replaces all occurrence of the markup with Linux displaying content. It will won't modify the file content. Actual file and all it won't modify. For output purpose it will be. This is only first occurrence. Here I am not using G means first occurrence. So G means first occurrence. G for global. Without G means only the first occurrence. Only the first occurrence. This is also very very important. S means substitute. Here S means substitute. Somewhere also they written S means substitute. What is S means here substitute. Where they mention. Okay. Now see that one. S means substitute. G means global. Now got it. This is very very important, Karthik. Now here SCD S SCD S slash. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. So I want to replace something. First you'll see we can easily understand. This is my data. Cat space cat cat space develops dot txt. Now I want to find and replace. Here Pinky is there. Pinny. Instead of Pinny, I want to replace mummy. Now got it. Karthik. I want to replace mummy. Okay. What is the command? SCD, single quotation, S. S means substitute. Which is the first? Find the pin. PINNI. Pinny. Slash. Replaced word. Which word you want, Karthik? Which word you want? Replaced by. అర్థమవుతుందా కార్తిక్? క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Replaced by. For example, I need XYZ. I need XYZ. Slash. G means global. What is the file name? devapps.txt. Now see here. Now see, earlier it is pinny. Now see, I replace it by XYZ. This is also very very important. Most of the people they are asking. So how to find a string and replace it? So this is very very important. Enter mostly they are asking this one. This is original string, O string, and this is string, original string, string slash replace string, replace string, replace string slash G means global. So here S means substitute, S means substitute, substitute. Here G means global. That's it. Global means. So if you don't want global, remove global also. This is the find and replace. Find and replace. Find and replace. Suppose if you want to permanently update. Now this as it is modified original file. Karthik, now check it. Is it modified original file? No, right? Clear? If you use this command, is it modified original file? No. Only output only it is showing. Correct? No, no, sir. Permanently I want to update in original file also. What is the argument we need to pass, Karthik? Permanently. I want to update file also. Only in output we can see. As of now, I saw only output. I want to permanently update. What you need to do? Just now we discussed, right? Tell me that one. Permanently. Just now we see, right? Hyphen I. Here also we discussed, right? Hyphen I. Permanent. Clear? Print. D means delete. So now if you want to update permanently in our file, this is the command. SCD hyphen I permanently string substitute slash string slash string slash G means global file name. Very very important command. So if you don't want to update permanently, don't use hyphen I. If you want to update permanently, hyphen I. Now check it. Now cat space devapps dot devapps.txt devapps.txt. Now I want to update permanently in the file. Now see here, SCD space hyphen I single quotation S slash and pinny slash replaced by mummy slash and G for global file name devapps.txt. Now check it, cat space devapps.txt permanently updated in the file also. Find and replace. మన విండోస్ లో ఫైండ్ అండ్ రీప్లేస్ అంటాం కదా, సేమ్ అన్నమాట. ఫైండ్ అండ్ రీప్లేస్. సో హియర్ ముంబై ఈస్ దర్ టూ ప్లేసెస్. I want to update. I want to update. So for example, Tirupati. Now see here. So here permanently I want to update. Where we want to update? Mumbai. See here. MUM 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 Mumbai. Mumbai replaced by. Mumbai replaced by which one, Karthik? For example, I want to the
Hyderabad.
హైదరాబాదా? ఓకే, హైదరాబాద్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కదా, ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను జస్ట్ వేరే నేమ్ ఇస్తున్నాను. సరే, కేఏడి సారీ టిఐ తిరుపతి. ఓకే, నౌ గాట్ ఇట్. సో two places Mumbai is there. In two places automatically replaced by Tirupati. Now check it, cat space devapps dot txt. Now got it, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important command. This command very, very important. This one without I, with I. So if you don't want to update permanently in the file, remove hyphen I. If you want to update permanently in the file, use hyphen I. These are the very, very mostly they are asking only this command. How to search string in file, and how to find and replace. Now what is this command? Only search or find and replace? This is the find
Find
and
and replace.
replace. Correct. Find and replace. If you want to permanently update file, hyphen I. If you don't want to update original file, remove hyphen I. That's it. Apart from this, nothing is they are asking. Now this is also, this is for manipulation purpose. Suppose we have a file. Suppose we have a file. There is many records, many columns. I don't want display all columns. Now try to understand here. This is also very simple. AWT command, and see cat space devaps.txt. Now here, sorry, devaps.txt. What is this? Dev apps. Okay, dev apps.txt. Now I have, this is the first column, this is second, third, four, five, six columns. I have multiple records. But if you come to real time, some files we have large data. I don't want all columns data for report purpose. I need only specific columns. I need only specific columns. I don't want all columns. So how to manipulate? So if you want to manipulate that case, we should go for AWK command. See here, we can use AWK commands to search in the files and print result in our required format. Required format means which columns you want to. I don't want all columns. Sir, I don't want all columns. Here I have six columns. I want to print only second column, or I want to print only third column, or I need print last column. So how to manipulate? So that case we should go for AWK command. See here, AWK command. AWK provides more convenient way for file processing than our regular Linux commands. Most commonly used shell scripting. If you want to handle very large files, that case we should go for AWK command. If we have multiple data, if we have large data, if we have multiple columns, we cannot manipulate, we cannot see our entire data. So if you, that case we go for this AWK command. This is the syntax. AWK begin black and action black and end black. This is the command structure. Begin black, action black, end black. Now first we'll see. Now see here, begin black, end black and all, and how to print it. Now they want print something. We don't want like all these things. Now beginning of the file line, very simple. 0 means represent each line, 1 means represents the first field, $2 means second field and all. I want to print like that only. Now see here, so AWK print, this is the mostly we are using like this. Now see here, AWK single quotation, this is the syntax. Print, sorry, print dollar, which column you want? I want to second column. I want to second column. Okay. Now file name devapps.txt. We given file only, right? This is the first column. Print $1. Why it is where I am in? I given wrong file or correct file? AWK print, correct one, right?
It is AWS.
Sorry. Typo error, right? AWK, not S. Okay. DevApps AWK with something missing. AWK, why it is not printing? File is available or not? Which path we are in? LS. File is available, right? Cat space devapps.txt. This is the file name, and single quotation, start print, dollar, column name, first column only, close, single quotation, and devapps dot txt. I'm going to modify something. So here VA, or else I'm copying data for this data. Actually, there is no spaces, right? That is the reason it is coming. So different format, and so VA emp.txt, emp.txt insert. I need some separation spaces and all. Now this is correct format. Now we can easily get output. There is no proper way alignment and all columns. Now see here awk single quotation. This is the syntax. I need only first column print. Which column data I need? Dollar, second column data, and file name. File name is, what is the file name here? emp.txt. emp.txt. Now see here, we'll get only that particular. So this is the actual data, emp.txt. emp.txt. I want to print only first column data. Now in this way, see here, print $1. It will print only first column data. I want to print address last column. Which column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column, right? So that case we can use so dollar print 4. It will print only fourth column data. Clear, Karthik? So if you want to manipulate, so that case we go for so AWK process. See, processing tabular data by using AWS. So there is many example here. We can based on this we can count all these things. Now 0 means each line. I don't want all. You want 0 means see here 0. I given means 0. So which data? Everything it will come. Each line. 0 means every line. So if you give 1 means it will come only. It will come only first column. It will come only first column. Remaining same story. And so 3 means etc. Like this we can pass. Now see here to print only first column data already you know, and so emp data number. And so if you want to, now we can print like this. If you want to print like this, first column data and also third column data. So that case also we can manipulate. Now see here cat space emp.txt and so awk space. Now I want to print which column data? $1 and arrow mark, and I want to print $3. Okay, and file name emp.txt. emp dot which one missing? Anything? awk print dollar. What is here? Oh, sorry, single quotation I missed. So here we need to, this is separate string, this is separate string, right? And this is the in between I need to give some string. So that case we need to give double quotation. So here it is treating, this is the separate I am passing, right? And whatever you want to pass we can give. That's it. Now see here we can pass. See, this is the first column, this is the second. Employee 100, 1000 rupees, employee 200, 2000 rupees, employee 300, whatever, not only this column, any column. I don't want third, I need only fourth column. Now see here 100, Mumbai 200, Hyderabad 300, Hyderabad 400, Chennai 500. So that case we can use so these columns. I don't want all, so I need one more also dollar 1 3 1 to 4. I need 1 to 4. Okay, I need 1 to 4. Now see here first column I need, second column data I need, third column data I need, remaining I don't want. Remaining I don't want. Clear, Karthik? This is also some case
Yes, sir.
important. Okay. So